Hello guys, in this video I will give you important information about one of the part-time jobs, that is Ubereats Delivery app. Or if you want to work as Ubereats Delivery driver, then we will see in this video what are the eligibility conditions, how much you can earn, and how to use app and all those things. So here you can see that on the screen. First of all, let us start with the eligibility. If you want to work as Ubereats Delivery driver, then what things you need? So you will need either bicycle or motorcycle or car. If you have any of that, then you can sign up for the Ubereats Delivery driver. Then if you have a bicycle, then this license driving license and registration certificate, insurance certificate is not required. But if you are using motorcycle or car, then you need to have open driving license in whichever state you are in here. So you will need the license from that state. Then car registration certificate is required. Then insurance certificate or car insurance certificate is also required. Another important thing is you also need to have working rights here. Like your visa should allow you to work in Australia. Then next thing that you will need is ID proof. Passport will do, or any other identification document is required. Then criminal background check also should be successful. Like you shouldn't have any criminal cases against you lodged in Australia. Then ABN and TFN number is also required. This is required when you are filing the tax at the end of financial year, but this is not required for the signing up. But at the end of financial year, you will need this ABN and TFN number. Now let us come to the Ubereats driver app. Once you download the Ubereats driver app, this is how this main screen looks like. Here you have to upload all the documents and submit the application. And if the application is successful, then you can go online. So all you have to do is just click on this go button, like tap on that, and then you will go online, and then you can get the delivery requests. So right now you can see that it is showing you are offline. So once I click on that button, then it will go online, and then requests will start coming. Now let us see what are the best times and places to go online. So once your application is successful, then you can go online. But what is the best time, and what are the best places? So best time is in the morning 8 to 9 at the breakfast time. Then in the afternoon, like 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. that time a lot of requests do come. From 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. is also very busy. Another important thing that you need to remember is that if you're using bicycle or motorcycle, I would recommend working in the CBD areas of the city, because parking issues not there. But if you have car, then I wouldn't recommend CBD, because there are a lot of parking issues over there in the CBD. Outside of CBD you can work very easily. Now let us see what are the earnings. Average hourly rate I will say is $20 per hour. So if you work for 1 hour, and if you get the requests, then you can on average basis you can earn $20. But if you do not get any request, then you may end up earning $0 as well. So that risk is there. Then daily rate $100. If you work for 5 hours, then you can earn around $100. But again depends on Saturday Sunday it is very busy, so you may earn $120, $125 as well. But on Mondays, Tuesdays you can earn lesser than that. So I have calculated average weekly earnings as $400, and from that you can deduct your petrol expenses, which can cost you around $40 for a week. Then you can also deduct car maintenance costs and the tax to calculate your actual profit. Then payments happen on weekly basis, usually on Tuesday, for the last week's earnings. Apart from earnings, you can also get other perks, like you can get discount at the Caltex petrol stations in Australia. You can also get discounts if you want to do car servicing at certain outlets. And also certain agencies or agents can give you discount for the tax filing. For example, Uber has because Uber has partnered with some of these organizations, and then through that you can get the discounts. So here is the snapshot of earnings, weekly earnings. You can see that in one of the week $379 were earned, and 44 tips were done, 33 hours and 8 minutes were online. Final thoughts, I will say it is good for anyone not having a full-time job. Some people even do this job just to maintain good health, because bicycle riding is a good exercise as well. And one of the drawbacks I see here is a lot of time is wasted when you go to pick up the delivery and then pickup is not ready, like food is not ready, then you have to wait for longer time. And when you are dropping off the food or delivering the food, then the customer address is not found. In that case also a lot of time is wasted. But overall I'll say it's a good part-time gig. If you want to earn that extra bucks, then you can definitely go for Ubereats delivery driver. So if you want to sign up as Ubereats delivery driver, then you can click on this link. I will give that link in the description of this video. If you have more questions on this, let me know through the comments. Thanks for watching this video.